Peace and love everyone, my name is Glo Up Journey. For those of you who don't know, I'm a full-time digital marketer. For those of you who do know, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 affiliate marketing niches that have made me the most money this year. Let's not waste any time and jump straight into this one. With the thousands of niches out there, it can be super overwhelming to pick one, especially if you're a beginner. So what we're gonna do before I show you my top 3 niches is I'm gonna put you guys onto my personal niche filter system. I made that up, but it's literally just like a little filter system to determine whether or not the niche that you've picked is profitable. So yeah, just to make sure we're all on the same page, what a niche is literally just a highly specialized market. So it could be fitness, it could be photography, architecture, animals, whatever it is. It could be as broad or as specific as you want. So it could go from, I don't know, like fitness to weight loss for moms. It could be dogs, so you could go from the dogs to small breeds to chihuahuas. It could literally be as broad or as specific as you like. Now, what is my niche filter system? This niche filter system that I'm about to show you is basically going to help you pick out your niche. Like I said, all you have to do is jot down the first 5-10 niches that come to mind and sort them by those you feel drawn to the most. So as you can see, I put business, spirituality, fashion, fitness, travel, relationships, and pets. The filter that I use to get rid of a whole bunch is I ask these questions. Now, is there something I have a passion for or have a bit of relevant knowledge in? Is this niche something that people still need or be interested in the next 10 years? Is this literally just like a quick trend that you're hopping on? Or is this something that's going to have some longevity? Something that is still going to be in high demand within the next 10 years? This should help you narrow it down to at least 2 or 3 niches max. If you found the one from here, perfect. You could go ahead and skip the next steps. So from here, I want you to go to whatever affiliate site that you've chosen, whether it's ClickBank, JVZoo, Digistore, whatever it is. You're going to head straight onto there and you're going to type in all of these niches. So for the sake of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to one of the niches that I put down on my list just to show you an example. So I'm going to go into the relationships, marriage and relationships on ClickBank, and I always sort it by gravity. So this is basically just a confirmation of what's selling right now. The hottest products, the ones that are guaranteed to make sales. One rule that I always stand by with picking products is I'll never promote something that I wouldn't personally buy. If it looks spammy, scammy, if it looks like it just wouldn't work, I'm not going to promote it to people. But it's always good to have some level of integrity and high standards. So sticking to this moral code is always ideal anyway, just because it means that you're less likely to get refunds because it's more than likely going to be a higher quality product. So yeah, the things that I look for in affiliate products are they have to have high gravity, they have to solve a common problem that people in my niche would have. They need to have product pages with a clean layout that doesn't look spammy at all. And ideally they should have affiliate tools pages that have like a good selection of email swipes, just anything that would help you promote their product. And obviously rebills are a bonus. If you are getting a monthly payment from this product, that's even better than a one-time payment. So now we're gonna get into the top 3 niches that I think are gonna be the most profitable for you. These are niches that have done right by me since I started affiliate marketing, and they're still making money for me to this day. At number 3, we have dating and relationships. People are always gonna have relationship problems. There will always be single, widowed, divorced, and even married or people in relationships looking for advice. This niche plays off a psychological need, which is love and belonging. It's something that humans crave but are typically clueless on. So this is where you step in and you give them advice that they're looking for and you get paid for it. It's really just a win-win. I've personally promoted a few products in this niche, specifically like dating products, just because they have like a very similar avatar. I already know what audience to target, so typically the target audience is very similar for all of these products. That's why it's such an easy product to promote. So definitely recommend love and relationships, and we're gonna move into number 2. At number 2, we have the health and fitness niche. I know that health and fitness is probably like number 1 on everyone's list, so you're probably looking at me like, what the hell? But yes, I put this as number 2, and I'm gonna tell you why when we get to number 1. Now, as we all know, everyone wants to look and feel their best. They want to be in optimal health, and that's why this is another niche that will never die. I love health and fitness because you can really niche down in it. There's bodybuilding, weight loss, dieting, holistic remedies and recipes. There's literally everything you can think of within the fitness niche. It also includes like super specific problems such as like back pains, bunions, like gut health, whatever the hell it is. These are all problems that people experience and need solutions to. And I know that this sounds bad, but whatever you're promoting does need to invoke a strong emotion from whoever's viewing it for them to actually want to purchase, which is why the health and fitness niche is really good, because you can kind of play off people's emotions. I know this sounds bad, but think of it this way. You're literally just putting a product that someone would find relief from in front of them, and you're getting paid for it. So it's really another win-win. Always remember that your audience is going to make a decision to purchase off two emotions, which is pleasure and pain. If the product that you're promoting is going to give them pleasure and make them feel happy, that's great. But if it solves a problem or quenches a deep desire to change, that's even better. This is why the fitness niche has been at the top for so long. Now, at number 3, the final niche, it's probably quite obvious, but it's the make money online niche. Now, hear me out. With the pandemicing, millions of people lost their jobs. And I was one of them. I literally just moved out of my family home and moved into a new apartment. So I was literally thrown in the deep end when I'd lost my job. I had no idea how I was gonna pay the bills, the food, literally everything. I did go into a bit of a panic, but that really made me realize that I had to become self-sufficient. And that's how I ended up in the make money online niche. The reason why I'm telling you this is because it's what so many other people experienced during the pandemic. We were made to realize how disposable we were in our 9-to-5 jobs. We literally had such a false sense of security that the pandemic threw so many people off completely. Like, who would have thought that you could just lose your job like that because of a pandemic? Most people didn't even know what pandemic meant until it actually happened. But this is why the make money online niche is so profitable, because so many people decided to turn to the online world to make money because of the pandemic. People are always going to want to feel financially secure, like they can provide for themselves, for their friends, for their family. It's a psychological need, and that's exactly why it's so easy to sell within that niche. Not many people are ever going to say no to extra money now, are they? So yeah, that's all from me for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.